Hey there, I'm Crantonimo with Vortex Media, and in this video, we're going to go over 3 applications you can use to automate your social media posting operations. These applications will allow you to take long-form content, upload it, and have AI automatically create short-form content for you, and in a lot of cases, be able to publish directly to social media and schedule the post for you. This is going to massively reduce the time you're going to spend editing your videos for your content marketing. I am a Fortune 50 tech lead. I've worked at companies all the way from Fortune 500 to Fortune 50 in early startups up to late stage startups in different domains such as consulting for the US Army, different fintech for some of the biggest banks in the country, and even some really high level technical applications based out of San Francisco. I'm using all of my experience to give you applications that you can use in your business to automate a lot of the things going on the back end that you have to take care of, so that you're not spending so much time there and you're spending a lot more time making sure that your customers have the most amazing experience. The 3 applications I'm going to go over today are Vizard.ai, QSO.ai, and Descript. Starting with Vizard Pros, I'm going to upload a clip. Just one of my reaction reels here. Get AI clips. They just get me right into using the software right from the homepage. I haven't signed in. I haven't put a credit card down. I'm going to go for business. Actually, I'm going to go for modern. Remove silences. Find clip moment. Get AI clips. Great. It seems like it's done and it's got my clips. It gives me a way to publish, to download. I can trim, extend it, gives me a little blurb of what it is. Automatic value display. Hit publish, and then I can connect my social media accounts and I can publish it. Really, really amazing. And then I can edit the clips further here, update, take it down to trim. I can use like a really simple editor here. I can go into the original video and look at the transcript. From the transcript, I can go right to different parts of the video and see what's happening. A wealth of tools available here. You can generate video, intros and outros. You can create a full brand kit to keep brand consistent across all of your media. Customize subtitles, audio, B-roll, transitions. I can link my accounts, my social media accounts, and actually have it automatically publish the shorts that I create, generate images, generate video. Something with this software is that there's a lot of really cool features, but it's a little clunky to use sometimes, I will say. They have different video generator model selections, 30 plus languages supported, really clean layout and UI. This is very pleasant to use. They have tons of tutorials on how to use this super well. So even though I'm having a little bit of a clunky experience, there's probably some really good tips and tricks to use it better, but they do need to do some improvements here. I can connect my Google Drive and Zoom, so I can import things from Google Drive, and any meetings that I've recorded on Zoom I can directly import, which is really helpful. So I was really specific about emailing, and we got a clip just about that. Be able to attend the meeting, but we want them to be looped in, so we go ahead and say another email, like this is just a throwaway email. So what's really cool about this, I want you to notice, is that it did get the part of the video where I'm talking about emailing, but let's see the video before I uploaded it. You see how it's all landscape? It is not at all fit for mobile consumption. But what this AI did is that it found my face and it made it so that this would work really well for the mobile layout. And it got exactly what I wanted. And from here I can publish. I think I had to be premium in order to do social accounts. Yeah. Changing it from a landscape to fit a mobile thing, that's a whole nother thing I don't have to do now. It makes my life a lot easier. Very cool. They do have a lot of YouTube videos, which is pretty cool. It's really generic. These kind of help documentation applications are really tough, a little tough to navigate sometimes, but you can search for things. It's just not ideal. Vizard will be for somebody that wants to be able to choose different AI models, that wants an all-in-one platform for social media uploads, makes everything really, really easy, wants a lot of customization and a really robust video editor that enables you to create AI B-roll, generate video. You can even create ads, idea to video, remove bad taste. There's just so many different functionalities, and it's a really good one-stop shop for your social media video production. When it comes to pricing, they do have a free tier, which is huge. I'm so big on applications and softwares having a free tier. It creates so much trust with the users. I'm really huge on that. $30 a month, 7,200 credits a year. That's one credit is 1 minute of video. $30 a month, you get 600 minutes per month. And then you can adjust it. So if you think you're going to do tons of video, you adjust it, and it kind of scales. Our next example is going to be QSO AI. QSO AI is definitely a little bit more simplified platform. Not a lot of different kinds of interesting things to try and use. They have a free tier, which is really cool. 75 credits per month. YouTube chapters, that's very cool. I'm into that. $24 a month for the light plan. UI is not very pleasant to look at and use. It's a little bit outdated. I am going to upload this MedPicPal demo. No customization to look for specific things. So if that's important to you, you want to definitely consider Vizard instead. Oh, okay. So now it's uploading right here. They have brand kits. I think Vizard has brand kits too. Yeah, it's just for the Pro version. I think you have to upgrade for this one as well. But you can post directly to social media, most social media accounts that you would care about. Nice planner. I'd like to be able to see it even if I'm not upgraded. And you have analytics. Easy to review way to see a social score, performance, analyzing reach, impressions, engagement by different outlet, and just a little bit more granular here. The help center is really robust. I really appreciate this help center. It's very professional. Got videos for different stuff. This is a really well done help center. I really appreciate it a lot. Different abilities here outlined. Auto captions, long to shorts, AI writer, not bad. Full video editor looks like. AI avatar videos, so looks like maybe you can create your own AI avatar. Pretty interesting. There's minimal user input on how or what the AI clips. You don't really get any say. It just kind of does what it thinks it's going to be best. A little bit cheaper, kind of a replacement for the others. Looks like I can import from Google Drive. So looks like imports are available, but the integrations is not as obvious how to do. Really helpful how-tos right here on the dashboard. That's pretty nice. A lot of tips and tricks. They put a lot of effort into trying to help you succeed with the software. I think this one can be really useful. You get the base use case out of it. I think it does stuff well enough. I think the person that's going to use this one is the one that just doesn't want to spend much on this kind of thing and just wants to try it out, see if this kind of thing works for you. It does give you quite a bit for a good price, and I think it can be very helpful to automate a lot of your social media posting. So I can go here and edit. It's kind of hard to find the button, but they have a pretty good editor here. Show timeline. Yeah, I mean, you definitely don't need any kind of Adobe product or anything like that. Cut Magic makes every video social ready with auto framing and dynamic layouts. Different templates available. Yeah, it's pretty robust. I mean, you get a lot for what you're paying. So our last example is going to be Descript. Pretty decent. 400 AI credits, 10 media hours a month. 30 media hours a month, export 4K. Yeah, pretty good. This is a really interesting UX. Do cleanups, generate with an avatar. You can do podcast editing, social clips, translate, dubbing video, turn slides into video, generate animated video. Like if you have like a picture, you can make a video out of it. Tons of different stuff going on here. It's extremely feature rich. There's so much stuff. I want social media clips. It's asking me what I'm actually like going for. So let's say I want to go for, it's like kind of a concierge. It's really nice. Mini clips as possible. I love how much customization there is. I'm talking directly to an assistant and it's taking all of my inputs as it's actually working through it and customizing what my outputs are going to be. That's freaking incredible. So in this project demo, I got the whole video here, and I can see all the clips it made. You can create your own professional AI avatar based on you, marketing promo videos, write a script, draft YouTube's automatic chapters for your long form videos. It's about the same price. It's got quite a concierge kind of situation going on. I can connect to Zoom to get Zoom cloud recordings. Cons: there's no social media scheduling or planning available. This is purely for editing. The other ones give you a really easy way to replace things like Buffer or Hootsuite, anything like that. Full Help Center is not very good. I mean, it's not bad. It's just real generic. Sometimes these things can be kind of a pain to get through, and the only integration available is Zoom. Who is this for? This is for the person that already has social media management software. They don't want something that includes that part of it. They really just want something that is for video editing. They want to be able to play with all these different AI tools and see how it really works for them, and just kind of have like a lot of input and be able to play with different ideas. Somebody that's going to really want to spend time with this kind of thing and get good at it. It's not for somebody that just wants a quick solution. So in closing, Vizard is definitely good for somebody kind of starting in the space. It does give you some interesting little things to play with, but it is generally pretty simple. It gives you a little bit of input, but not too much. It's really cleanly organized. It's not very complicated. You have social media integration right there, brand kitting. QSO AI is for somebody that wants a little bit more control, and they really like getting down into the editor. They like messing around with apps a little bit more. They don't mind kind of like a really simple UX. They do have the social media aspect to it. So QSO is going to be more expensive, but it has a little bit more fun things to mess with. So if you want more fun things to mess with than maybe Vizard has, and a little bit more control, then QSO is going to be for you. If you have a lot of patience and you're happy to sit down and really learn a tool that can end up being very powerful because it gives you a lot of control, Descript will be for you. Pretty comparable to QSO, so $24 a month for 10 media hours and 400 AI credits. This is $30 a month for 300 credits. It's going to be like about the same price as the other ones, but you're not getting the social media automatic posting stuff. So this is just for video editing. You have tons of control. You have tons of different things you can do. I hope this helped you find something useful in order to automate a lot of your social media marketing editing, so you don't have to spend tons of time turning your long form video content into social media friendly clips.